Oyudo kanyo ni Rawere ojiw mar mondo mi omaki Motegno wechego mago mag pur kod pith e yor lony mano manyasani kaka okang' mano mar neno ni chiemo obedo moromo e pacho kae mangima. Ne oloso kod ute fwambo e kaunti mano ma Kisumu kae e kinde nyasi mano mar yawayanga nyisruok mago mag kit pur e apisi mano mar Kalro, kama bende jatelo mano maduong' migosi Patrick Katiem ne ojiwo Rawere mar mondo mi oti machiegni kod joka Kalro mano mar neno ni giyudo lony kachiel kod puonj makare wechego motenore kod pur kachiel kod pith e yor lony manyasani.
Currently, our farming community, the average age is around 67. That is really very disappointing. So it's because our young people are not embracing agriculture. So we are encouraging our youths. We have programs where we can train them through internship program from universities. They can always with Calro, and Calro can give them some 3 months, 6 months programs where they can learn of technologies of interest. We are also finding opportunities where the young people can be supported to do the production at various sites. So we want to encourage our youth to visit all our Calro centers, wherever they are, so that they can know which opportunity they can be able to access, including visiting our Calro website, so that they can realize what we can be able to offer to support them.
Like you heard from the Director General, the objective of Calro is to contribute towards solving farmers' problems for increased agricultural production so that the country can feed its people. We can chase away hunger. Now we are told that young people make up over about 70%. In fact, they estimate as 75% of the population. And you cannot afford to put aside 75% of the population in any endeavor to improve the well-being of the country. So the youth, the young people, are critical in our endeavor to increase agricultural production. And like the Director General has indicated, there are various programs within Calro that are targeted at enticing young people to get into agriculture, especially the agriculture that embraces modern technology, information technology, because that is like the cornerstone of everything in life. And in agriculture, it is equally critical. So the young people are very critical for us to make a positive contribution to enhanced food production in the country.